joint with sleeve. So this is the simplest of all Cotter joints used for fastening two circular rods. So that means joining of two circular rods. Okay, so this is the sleeve, this one is a sleeve. Okay, so these two are Cotters. Okay, so these two are circular rods. Okay, so in this Cotter joint with the sleeves, so we are using the two shafts, so one sleeve and two Cotters. These two are Cotters. Okay, then this one is the shaft, this one is the shaft. Okay, so what is the main purpose of Cotter joint with the sleeve? So it is used for fastening two circular rods with the help of Cotters. Okay, so that is the main use and purpose of Cotter joint with the sleeve. Okay, so then please see the diagram. Okay, so these are all standard dimensions, that means standard formulas. Okay, then this one is a rod diameter is D. Okay, so this is the from here to here is the 1.3 into D. The sleeve outside diameter is 2.5 into D. Okay, so then the Cotter height equal to 4 into D. Okay, then Cotter width at the top is 1.3 into D. Okay, then next one next one is the clearance dimension is 0.1 into D. So in this case, okay, so I am taking D equal to 20 mm. Okay, so this D value substitute all formulas in case so this is the D, so D equal 20 mm, so please take 20 mm. Okay, so this is a 1.3 into D, so please D 20 mm substitute instead of D, then 1.3 into 20 equal to 26 mm. Okay, so this is the 2.5 into D, so that means 2.5 into 20 equal to 50 mm. Okay, so but very important is how can we start the diagram, so that is a very important. Okay, and then so first of all, so please draw the one center axis, so very important. So without center axis, so we can't do anything. Okay, so after completion of this one, so draw 1.3 into D dimension line, so 1.3 into D dimension line. Okay, so after finishing this one, so please take 0.4 into D, 0.4 into D dimension. Okay, 0.4 into 20, so then equal to 8 mm. So please take 8 mm from this point, so at the top, and again take 8 mm at the bottom. Okay, so this is the symmetrical section. Okay, then clear. So after completion of this one, okay, so draw sleeve portion. So this is the sleeve portion, this one is sleeve. Okay, so at the top and bottom. Okay, so the distance from here to here is 1.3 into D, so please take 1.3 into D, so 1.3 into 20 mm, that means 26, so please 26 mm. Okay, so draw this portion. Okay, so again take 1.3 into D, that means 1.3 into 20 equal to 2.6 centimeters or 26 mm for Cotter portion. Okay, so then this is the some taper section is there. Okay, so please take 2 mm from this point. Okay, so draw like this. Okay, some clearance is there. Okay, so the clearance the dimension is 0.1 into D. Okay, so that means 2 mm, 0.1 into 20 equal to 2 mm. So please take the clearance distance is 2 mm. Okay, so at the bottom and top. Okay, so then similar way, so you have to draw Cotter and this portion right side also. Okay, but very important is the total distance. So before drawing this portion, so you have to draw total length, so 8 into D, so 8 into D, so 8 into 20 equal to 160 mm or 16 centimeter. Okay, so then you have to draw this portion. So after completion of this portion, draw this one, draw this one, draw this one. Okay, so after completion of this portion, draw Cotter section. Okay, so after completion of these two Cotter portions, okay, so please draw the engagement of shaft portion. Okay, so this is the 0.1 into D. Then so this is the 0.1 into D. Okay, so this is the complete diagram of quarter joint with sleeve. Okay, then very important point, so you should draw so this one also top view. Okay, so please project this one, so project this one, so project this one. Okay, so project this one. Okay, so this is the very simple and easy to draw. Okay, so thank you. Draw the one center axis. Okay, so this is the center axis of the object of the diagram. So then draw the one vertical line. The dimension of vertical line is 1.3 into D. Okay, so D equal to 20 mm. Okay, so after completion of that one, draw the one horizontal line. So this is the 0.4 into D dimension. Okay, so please D value substitute on that formula. Then so this is 1.3 into D. Okay, so after completion of these two lines, draw the 2.5 into D dimension. Okay, so please see the procedure how to draw this. So 2.5 into D, so 2.5 into D equal 20 mm, then 50. So that, so please take 25 mm above the center axis and again take 25 mm so below the center axis. Okay, so this is the symmetrical section. So after completion of this one, so please take 1.3 into D formula, then so 1.3 into D equal to 20, then 26 mm. So measure the 26 mm with the help of square scale. Okay, so mark 1 point, so mark 1 point, 26 mm. So this is 26 mm. Draw the one vertical line at the top and bottom. And so please see the procedure how to draw the quarter joint with the sleeve. So this is the very easy to draw. Okay, so again take 1.3 into D dimension, that means 26 mm. Okay, for quarter portion. So please again take 1.36 into 20 equal to 26 mm at the top and bottom. Okay, so draw the one vertical line. Okay, so this is the quarter portion. So please see the procedure how to draw this quarter portion. The height of quarter equal to 4 into D. Okay, we know that D equal to 20 mm. So please substitute instead of D equal to 20. Then 4 into 20 equal to 80 mm. Okay, the height of quarter equal to so 80 mm. So please take 40 mm above the center axis. So again take 40 mm below the center axis. Okay. Then this is the 4D. 4D means 80. So above the axis 40, then below the axis 40. So this is the symmetrical section. Okay. From that line to this line, the distance is 1.3 into D. That means 26 mm. Then D equal to 20 mm. The diameter of the rod equal to 20 mm or shaft. Then so please see the procedure. Then so the quarter is some taper section is there, so that so please take 2 mm and draw like this. So draw the arcs with the help of compass. So please take some radius as per your convenient, and draw the arcs like this. So please draw the some clearance. Okay, so beside of the quarters. So please take 2 mm. Okay, and draw the clearance. So the clearance formula is 0.1 into D. So 0.1 into 20 equal to 2 mm. So please take the 0.1 into D at the top and bottom of the. Then so take 2 mm and draw the clearance. The total length equal to 8 into D. So 8 into 20 equal to 160 mm. Okay. So please take 160 mm like this. That means 16 centimeter. So draw like this. So please see the 80 dimension, okay, on real diagram. So the similar way, so you have to draw the right side also. So follow the same procedure for right side also. Then again take a 0.4 into D formula, that means 8 mm at the top and bottom. Draw the vertical lines. Then take 1.3 into D formula. So 1.3 into 20 equal 26 mm from that point. So please measure the 26 mm from that point and mark one point at the top and bottom. Okay, so draw one vertical line. So you have to draw the quarter right side also. So the quarter width equal to 1.3 into D at the top. So at the bottom some taper section is there. it equal to 4D. So take 1.3 into D, so that means 26 mm. 1.3 into 20 equal 26 mm. Okay, so draw the quarter portion. Take 2 mm and draw like this. So take any convenient radius and draw like this. Draw the clearance. Take 0.1 into D dimension. Okay, 0.1 into 20 equal to mm. So, so take 2 mm, measure 2 mm and mark 1 point, draw like this. So draw the center portion. So mark center point of 80 dimension. So draw like this. So this is the joining of two shafts, the intersection of two shafts. So please see the intersection of two shafts on a real diagram. Then take 0.1 into t dimension, left side and right side of that point. So draw like this. This section is a joining of two shafts. Draw the hatching lines for sleeve portion. 0.4 into D. For hatching lines, so take 45 degrees. So draw the rod diameter D. Draw the rod portion at the two ends. Draw the diameter D at the two ends. D dimension. This is the 1.3 into D. So this is the 1.3 into D dimension. 1.3 into D. 1.3 into D. So this one is 2.5 into D. From here to here, so 2.5 into D. 2.5 into D. D 1.3 into D, then so 2.5 into D. So this is the complete diagram of Cotter joint with the sleeve. So then D equal to 20 mm. So this is the 4D. Then this section is 0.1 into D and 0.1 into D. So 8D, the dimension from that line to this line is 8D. So this is the complete diagram. Okay, so you can also draw the top view. Okay, so that means bottom portion also. So this is a very easy to draw. So this just extend or projection that lines. Okay, so we can easily draw this one, the bottom portion. Okay.